Let's explore how to use ExpressRouter to organize your routes into separate files. This will make your Express applications easier to manage and scale. Let's understand why organizing routes is essential. Without organization, all your routes reside in a single file, making it difficult to maintain and scale your application. With ExpressRouter, you can achieve modular route organization, resulting in a better code structure that is easy to maintain and scale. Let's dive into creating an ExpressRouter. First, require the Express module. Then, create a router instance using ExpressRouter. You can then define your routes on this router instance. For example, a GET request to the root, which is a /, can respond with a JSON object containing the message, "Get all users." Finally, export the router to use it in other parts of your application. Let's extend our router by adding multiple routes. You can define different routes for various HTTP methods like GET, POST, etc. For example, a GET request to the root, which is a /, can respond with a JSON object containing the message, "Get all users." A POST request to the root, which is a /, can respond with a JSON object containing the message, "Create user." Also, you can add a GET request with ID parameter. The server responds with a JSON object with the ID sent as the parameter. Now, let's connect the router to your main application. In your app.js file, require the router file, then use the appUse method to mount the router on a specific path. For example, mounting the user's router on the /users path means all routes defined in user's router will be accessible under the /users prefix. Finally, start the server by listening to the port number 3000. Here's an example of an organized file structure. At the root level, you have the app.js file. Inside the routes folder, you can have separate files for different resources like users.js, products.js, and orders.js. Also, you can add controllers folder. This structure offers key benefits such as separation of concerns, easy location of routes, better team collaboration, and reusable components. Let's see how to use multiple routers in your application. You can require different router files, such as users router and products router. Then use the app.use method to mount each router on a specific path. For example, mounting users router on /users and products router on /products makes their routes accessible under users and produced respectively. Let's explore some best practices for using ExpressRouter. For organization, group related routes together, use descriptive file names, and keep routes focused and simple. For performance, use middleware efficiently, implement comprehensive error handling, and consider the order of your routes. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.